Masala Bhindi Fried Rice or Spicy Okra Fried Rice. A very tasty lunchbox recipe and also a healthy and delicious beginner's recipe, which can be easily made at home. Today we are going to make Masala Bhindi Rice or Spicy Okra Fried Rice. The ingredients are 150 grams of okra or bhindi, which has been cut into small pieces, 1 big onion, 2 tomatoes, 25 grams of ginger, 1 cup of rice which has been washed and soaked. Boil 2.5 cups of water to make the rice. Take around 2.5 cups of water in the pan and put it over the flame to boil. Now the water is boiled. Now put in the rice, which has been washed and soaked. And let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the rice has been cooked, and now the flame can be put off and the rice can be taken off the flame. After this, we can go into the making of the masala bhindi or the spicy okra, which will be finally mixed with the rice. Next, heat the frying pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onions, put in the ginger and the garlic, salt, for 7 to 8 minutes until the onions are golden brown. Now put in the okra or the bhindi, which has been cut into small pieces and soft. Salt for 30 minutes. Now put in the tomatoes. Salt. For 2 to 3 minutes. And squash the tomatoes in between so that they become a nice pulp. Put in a spoon of garam masala. Put in salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients with the masala and the salt. Pour in a spoon of water and sprinkle and keep on stirring and sauteing until the ingredients are well incorporated. This has to be repeated at least 4 to 5 times. Keep on sauteing until all the ingredients are completely incorporated into the dish. Now put in the rice, 100 grams at a time, and incorporate well with the other masala. Do it little by little. And mix the rice with the other ingredients. This has to be done in a low flame. We are using the rice which we prepared earlier. Mix the rice with the other ingredients well. While mixing, take care that the okra or bhindi is not crushed. Now the masala bhindi rice or spicy okra fried rice is nearly done and can be taken off the flame. Put off the flame and take off the rice from the flame. This is the final masala bhindi fried rice or spicy okra fried rice. This is a good lunchbox recipe which can be easily made at home. It can also be called a beginner's recipe.